Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out this HAX helmet. Designed in California. So recently got a scooter. It's pretty fast. Just wanted to make sure that I am protected. Safety first. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure and all that stuff. Okay, check this out. We got pretty sick. Little back piece there, or a top fin. This comes in a nice little case here. Ooh-wee. That's a pretty looking helmet. Look at that thing. Okay. Looks like a washable inside that can be removed, I believe. Oh yeah, okay. That's cool. So these like snap in there. So if you need to take them out, and it's just like these plastic little snaps in there. It's very cool. I just got to put it back on there, right? There we go. Snaps back into place. These also feature the quick strap here. So just clicks in, and when you need to pull it off, you don't have to fight for finding different things. You just pull this little thing and that pops out. So that's very nice. Yeah, like I said, very cool looking helmet actually. And this little guy goes, oh man, that is sweet. Looks like a superhero helmet almost. Let's see, does this go? No, it's gotta go this way. It just snaps into there. Okay, so we got a snap here. Here, and here. I wonder where the best place to put this in first. Okay, that is there, and then that is there. Okay, maybe this one snaps in. That snaps in, and that snaps in. Okay. That is cool. Nice little effect there. Very aerodynamic. Okay. You gotta remove this. Hopefully this thing comes off easily. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Whew. Very nice. I like that it's like mirrored. Check that out. That is pretty sick. So this goes up into different spots. This also has an internal, what is it called? Like visor in there. So that can be moved up with this. Let's see. Push that up, okay, and that one falls down. So it's a UV blocking one, and that's also got the little protectors on there. Peels off, so that's pretty sweet. So yeah, with like a flick of the button here on the side, those can just go up or down. So that is nice. All right, let's put this thing on. It's a large. They have a measuring thing on the website, or I got it on Amazon. I'll link it in the description below. That is cozy and no fighting for things. Like I said, that just goes right in there. And to take it off, you just pull that little thing, and it's very easy, locks into place. Okay, this is very snug, nice and comfortable. Let's see if I can find my little switch here. Oh yeah, there we go. So that's cool. Little visor pops in and out. And then that one, so I would just push that up and down, I believe. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty sweet. I really like the look of it. It's very comfortable. I'll have to test it out when I'm riding to see like how good the, as far as the anti-fog thing is. So that just pushes forward. That's pretty intuitive there. Yeah, it looks like it's kind of like an anti-fingerprint type thing there a little bit. I don't really see like anything on there. So just in here right now, of course, if you breathe on it, it's going to fog up a little bit. That seems to clear off rapidly. I'm going to put on the, let's see, flip that back. That goes up. So that's really cool. I like how that just goes out of place there. It's UV blocking for sun or stuff like that. So this locks into different spots. So 1, 2, and 3 fully. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Good field of vision, like all the way around here I can see in my peripheral really well. So I like that. Other ones, you know, maybe it's a little bit more blocked, so it's kind of more of a tunnel vision. So that's cool. I'm trying to fog this up. It's a little bit of moisture on the inside, but it's not, I can still see good and everything like that. I'm gonna put up my other visor here. Okay, so that's definitely something you don't want to do at nighttime when you're riding. But during the daytime, if you need a little bit additional sun blockage, or you can just ride like this and then just put down that if you want to. So either way, a bunch of different ways to use this. I like this, how it's got the nose guard thing there. Yeah, I mean, imagine flying along at 60 and like a bug hits you right there. So I like that that is there to kind of stop that from happening. But yeah, first impression, guys, is saying it's super comfortable. I like that. You can just snap out the inner liner and clean it if you want to. Like I said, this is super easy to take off. It's a little snug getting your head in there, but very nice, very cozy. A pretty sick looking helmet too. I think I really like the whole mirrored outside. It just looks really cool. We have the these air vents. Okay, yeah. So check that out too. We got the air vents on top. Those can be adjusted or opened or closed. Very easy to do. If you're like wearing the helmet, just reach up there and adjust that. And oh, that's cool. We also have the air vents in here too. So getting plenty of airflow going through there so you're not fogging up or anything like that. Just a sick looking helmet, guys. I'm not gonna crash to demonstrate it, but I think it would, seems like it would be pretty burly. This is DOT certified, Department of Transportation. So I think they do testing on their helmets and things like that to make sure, hey, is this going to actually withstand an impact, or is it just made out of cardboard or whatever, something like that. So yeah, if you guys are looking to check out a sick helmet, this thing's pretty sweet. I'll link it in the description below. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.